For over 25 years, Imperial Restoration has been the go-to company in New England for refinishing your concrete floors. We can tackle interior and exterior work and can handle any job of any size. But what about jobs of exceptional size, like large warehouses where time is of the essence? We've always been able to accommodate these jobs, but now Imperial Restoration is happy to introduce you to our newest refinishing process, featuring the Ride On Power Trowel, which can cut the refinishing process time in half and help you get your business back up and running as soon as possible. The Ride On Power Trowel uses diamond polishing pads and allows us to polish the cement while it's wet, cutting down on dust and letting us cover the same amount of space in half the time as conventional refinishing while achieving the same incredible results, and allowing us to pass significant cost savings on to our customers. After the completion of the wet polish, the water is cleared and the floor is dried and cleaned. A densifier is applied to the concrete, and then we give the floor a pass with our dry polishing equipment to make sure the surface is as smooth as possible. After the dry polish, the floor is cleaned again and a sealer is applied prior to burnishing, which is the final step in the refinishing process. Burnishing polishes the concrete to a high sheen and completes the restoration. The result is gorgeous concrete floors that look like new and will give your business a fresh look that you can be proud to show off to clients. For more information on our new wet refinishing process or any of the services that Imperial Restoration can provide, please call our offices at 508-832-2800, 800-427-9274, or 508-962-1052 today. We look forward to meeting all of your interior and exterior concrete refinishing needs.